Good morning. Thank you for coming. Did you have any trouble timing our clinic?
Good morning. No, I didn't. I found the clinic easily.
Great. So, did you work as a physical therapy before?
Yes, I did. I worked at a rehabilitation center for 2 years.
What kind of passion did you stress feel?
I treat patients with sport injuries, post-injury, recovery, and chronic pain.
Did you use any special therapy techniques?
Yes, I did. I used manual therapy, stretching exercise, and electronic therapy treatments.
How did you motivate your patient during session?
I encouraged straight therapy by setting small goals and celebrating their progress every week.
Did you work on or as a work a team?
I worked as part-time of a multidisciplinary team with doctor and nurses.
What did you enjoy most about your last job?
I enjoyed helping people regain remedy and saying there's improvement.
Did you ever take a difficult situation with a patient?
Yes, I did. One patient did want to follow the exercise, but I liked it with him and explained the importance of consistency, and eventually he improved a lot.
Why did you quit your last job?
I did because I wanted to gain more experience in a large clinic and work with more diverse cases.
Finally, what did you to keep your your professional skill?
Yes.
I attended workshops, read scientific articles, practice rehabilitation, more techniques.
Excellent. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. It was a pleasure to meet you.